Hello.
Oh. Joe, did you see the white one?
Yeah.
That's a cockatoo, right?
Oh my gosh, it looks like a.
Bread. That's a macaw.
That's Jessie. That's Jessie. This is Rosie.
Rosie.
Hi, Rosie.
Who's Rose?
Oh, hi,
That's
Jessie.
Dolly.
Say
That
hi.
looks like Kermo. And is there one in this end?
No, I don't see one.
Yeah.
3 adults, right?
Oh, she is a parrot. What?
What? Who's that?
That's a.
Hi. Hi.
What?
Isn't that a
Oh,
coffee
there's a green
bird?
one right there.
Hey.
Okay, see?
Whoa.
I know.
That's it. Oh, that's Nico.
Nico.
His name's Nico.
Oh, sorry.
This is Jessie.
Yeah, see? Oh,
This
Jessie.
is Rosie.
Hey, so it looks like a bad guy from Rio.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yes. This one's name is Dolly.
Whoa! Okay, I'll leave alone. Nice to meet you.
I'm scared to get down.
Sorry. Okay. I was trying to. Oh, hey, Jessie. And that's. Wow. That kind of looks. Oh. Wow. You look like a parrot. I like that. Oh wow, that's hey, it looks like Polly from G.I. Joe's Shipwreck. Sure looks like.
Come on, Joe.